The home remodeling and renovation services offered by DCON Renovations and Remodeling have been successfully transforming homes in the area of Brooklyn, New York, into pristine masterpieces fit for pop stars, movie stars, or royalty. DCON offers customized, state-of-the-art, designer-inspired designs in every genre: residential, office, commercial, and civic projects. Whether it's an individual seeking to redo their living room or a multi-generational community in need of a new home, DCON can provide the perfect vision and the planning that best suits your needs. No matter what you're dreaming about, DCON is sure to deliver the results you're hoping for. Home remodel and renovation projects are not for those on a tight budget. However, the affordable pricing of these services makes them accessible to everyone. DCON is committed to working with its clients to find creative ways to bring their dreams to life. For example, many popular custom home remodeling projects include conversions, additions, alterations, renovations, and new builds. For those who want a complete overhaul of their kitchen and bathroom, DCON has custom services for all sizes of home remodeling projects. Get in touch with us at 718-628-3428.